Dion's Arts and Designs, known for her roles as a pageant director and a pageant trainer. She has successfully trained numerous beauty queens for schools and local. Hilang Tagaan, Santa Fe, Cebu. And she likes to do shopping clothes and doing things that relax herself. She hates to eat in public places. And her hobby is doing makeup and doing her skin. Is 21 years old. She resides at Abia Kakaibe Diet School. And she likes to have a complete family. Her talent is singing with dancing. She loves to vlog, create reels, and take videos in TikTok. Her favorite color is red, and her family as their bonding time. And she hates a negative person. Her talent is dancing, and she
may masinhing pananampalataya sa Diyos. Ito yung mga tao na
o giunsa nimo kini pag-atubang. Pag-atubang, nakabalikon, kung sa imo labing lisod nga masinatian, na imong nasinati isip usa ka bendera, o giunsa nimo kini pag-atubang.
isip usa ka tindera. Kung giulian ako sa lupot maista, ako may natawagon. Kay para customer pagbalik-balik yapon siya. And I thank you. Bahay ka tindera, if may customer ka nga memory ano sa imo nga kuwang ang ila items, dapat imo kayo
Patay na.
dapat
Bisan init ang panahon, musmayan ako sa mga customer, magbutang ako ng electric fan. Kung pwede, may ceiling fan para mahayayang ako mga customer na mga sa karinderya. Kaya kung abi-abihon na kung sila sa maayaw ako pag-iyong isa na kanyipon. Daghang salamat!
We have Luigi de Sanfarado together with Kagawan Mirna de Sanfarado, and for our winner, we maybe invite Miss. Ladies and gentlemen, I will be calling the number and the name of our hot tendera. Pantayan! Ladies and gentlemen, your hot tendera 2025 is candidate number. Dagang salamat Ate Barb sa akong accessory for tonight. Without you, di ako inaalis sa